Hello guys, for this GitHub Copilot one day build challenge, I'm gonna be build something like fun and interactive. Okay, so my idea is just going to build like a roast. So okay, like a roast mean I can enter any GitHub user profile URL, or I can enter the username. So it will be analyze the readme.md file, and it will be based on that it will be do some fun and interactive roast content, so we can share it in any other social media. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be build. So let's see how fast and efficient I can able to build this application with help of GitHub Copilot. Okay, fine. So I just have a VS Code here. um Let me install Next.js. Oh, bun does not exist. First I will install bun. uh, I enable this. Okay, so this asks, okay, yeah, yes. Uh, Rose Lee. That is my project name. Okay, it is creating. Okay, so meanwhile, what I'm gonna be doing is um, I will create a context of my application. Let's see. Okay, I'm just using the ChatGPT for just correcting my grammar mistakes. Often I use this. I want to build simple and interactive application. Uh, Ignore this spelling mistake. Okay, so I want to build simple and interactive web application. Um, Next.js and TypeScript. Uh, User will enter any GitHub file link in input. Then by clicking in button, it will be fetch the readme.md file and pass to the backend API. Mm, Backend, I will have any LLM. etc any LLM. Okay, so I will enter the fine. I will pass the readme.md content to backend. Okay, or URL. LLM will analyze the content, and it will create a roast content based on that readme.md file. It will be written a response. I will show it in the front end, and also I need options to post content emojis. Mm, share this on social media like Twitter. Okay, so yeah, here you can see, guys, I just written my graph. I want to build something simple, interactive, and web application in Next.js and TypeScript. User will enter GitHub profile link in input, and by clicking the button, it will be fetch the README.md and pass README.md or URL to the URL content to the backend. In backend, I will have any LLM like GPT-4 mini, anything. LLM will analyze the content. It will be create a roast content with emoji, and oh sorry, it's friendly and funny with the emoji based on the readme.md file content. It will return a response. Okay, I will show it in the front end and okay, and also need an option to share this. Yeah, like a tweet message. So, okay, so let me. Okay, so it's corrected my all the mistakes. Improve this prompt. Seed. GitHub Copilot. Okay, so again I'm telling, please ignore my spelling mistakes, guys. Okay. Okay, so it will be giving me content. Let's see. Something went wrong. Okay, I think it's creator. Maybe let me create once again. Okay, yes. Okay, it's creating. Okay, I don't know. Okay, I don't know. Something is happening. Okay, I will create it by normal. Uh, Install Next.js. Yes. No. I think as of now, no. Yes. And would you like to access the directory? Yes. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So now Next.js is installing. Okay. So build a simple interactive with the TypeScript. Okay. 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 Yeah. This is nice. I will copy this response. I will give this to the A GPT-4. Yeah, actually, it's give me almost, I think, almost every code. Maybe my task is just copy paste and run it. Okay, let's see. It's a page app directory. Okay, text field, button, and the message. Yeah, this is the href link to share the content in Twitter and LinkedIn. Okay, so this is the backend API. Axios. Okay, so username master. Okay, it's always not a master. Yeah, maybe. Okay, so it's fetching response LLM. Okay, yeah, LLM code is missing. Okay, yeah. Okay, also I will ask. Maybe here I will ask describe want to look like. Okay, so meanwhile I come to here. I will copy paste it to my root directory. Okay, so okay, it's give too much information about that. What I'm gonna be do. Okay, so I'm just paste it here. Okay, so I'm just going to speed up my work with the help of some AI tools. Actually, this also build a top of GPT-4o and some other LLM. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna be use this platform for just building a front end because I can save my time. But functional device, I'm gonna be use this Copilot. Done install. Okay. Okay, it maybe takes some time. Meanwhile, I will set up the basics and LLM, everything. Okay, so bundle. Also, I will open my another terminal to install any package if I want. Okay, as of now, it's take 12 minutes. Let's see how fast I can able to complete this. What happened? Yeah. Okay. So first, always what I will do is I will remove the color. Okay, so yeah, the real thing what I like in Copilot is two things. One is like if we face any error, it will be show fix. It will be do suggest inside the code. Like an example. So in this line, if I have any error, like it will be show like this to fix something. This is I will like one of the main feature I'm often use in my work life. And also this is the one of the thing like I mean I'm very lazy to do commit message when I'm doing some changes or anything like but the thing what I like here like it is also analyze what is the recent change what I did. So based on that it will be gives a proper git commit message. So this is I really like. Okay, git push. Okay, so let's see what happened here. Okay, it's still low. Okay, so now okay, so now I want to set up the API in Next.js. So let me create a API directory here. Meanwhile, I will ask some questions. Okay, so yeah, here. Okay, this is the page directory based API, but I want it based on app directory. Give me this API based on Next.js 14 or 15. Okay, app there. Yeah. So router. Okay, yeah. So here are also properly giving the file structure. So under API, roast the folder and route.ts. Uh, yes. Okay. So Axios next server. Okay, it is a mock content. Okay, yeah, as of now it's okay. Later I will change it. Okay, so format Axios I have to install. Done install. Okay, I have a doubt like GitHub. Okay, let me check. It is always okay. So my doubt is like it should be a main or master. I don't know. Let me check with my profile name. Jackson Cosy 0. Jackson. I don't know. It's not work. Okay, let's see. Like while work, we know. Fine. Okay, so now I have a simple AP. What is this error? Yeah. This is what I told previously. Like quick fix and fix using Copilot. Yeah, this is the future. I love very well. Yeah. Okay. So this is the type issue. Uh, yes. I think now this issue will be resolved. Okay. So the next thing. Okay. The front I need. Okay. Still generating. Let's see. Once it's done, like we can use the code. So I'm waiting for that. Meanwhile, I will set up that basic LLM. I'm gonna be using any open source model. This one like Sambanova AI. So they provide various LLM models. So we can use it with the OpenAI SDK. AP. Yeah. So yeah, I just copy this. I will create a folder called config inside src. Okay, so inside that I will have my LLM configuration and maybe env files like that. Let me create a llm.ts file. Okay, so I just already have a same like that configuration in my previous project. I just copy paste. It's not a big code, so just speed up my work. Next layer server. Yeah, so simple, very simple. Just I'm configure the Sambanova base URL with the APK with OpenAI. So that's it. So it's using Deno. Yeah. So yeah, this feature also I really love, like ghost text. So it's also save my time. Okay. So and in the env file, I will set up that. Generic key. Okay. Confirm. Okay. So later I will remove this. So no longer it will be work. Okay. So I will paste it here. Okay. Fine. I just set up my LLM. What is this issue? I think there is no type issue for this. This I guess. I mean OpenAI. Uh, I don't know. Maybe later. See. Okay. So where is the front end code? Mm, Yeah. This is looks simple. Yeah, it's works for me. I will copy this code. Mm, Where is the component? I'm also using this project the first time, but I seen this recently. It looks nice. URL input, homepage, post card, social media, share content. Okay, so I will give this to convert it as a Next.js. Okay, it's not needed. Okay, I just go to my page. I will just paste it. I need some components. Components. Oh, sorry. And URL section. Okay, so URL input section. That component also needed. So okay, so two component is ready. I think home page. Okay, so it's also fetching avatar username. Okay, yeah, so I always mention like this to import component, import assets. It will be make the code looks simple, clean. I like that. Okay, so URL I just copy paste and roast card. Okay, it actually dummy card. I will have to paste it here. Also, we need a social share button. I will copy paste the same name of the component. Later, if needed, I will modify that. Okay, so I think it uses Next.js. Sorry, Sage UI. I think. So then I need to set up that Sage as also. Okay, so roast card okay, social bar button okay, input okay, home page. I think that's it. Uh, any other things needed? Okay, so let me set up this one bot. Yeah, I will set up the HCM. Mm, Manual installation. Yeah, so here it is. Yeah, so I will manually install this and ts config. Yeah, path is okay. Base URL I will set up that. Okay, so next Tailwind configuration, just copy paste this file. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, this line is important. I will keep that. Yeah. So I'm correctly configure the file path. So under SRC, I have a apps page component everything. Okay, so next, Okay, so global CSS I have to copy paste. I will paste it here, and then library folder utils file. Inside that I have to paste the cn function and the component.json. Oh, it's on root of project. Okay, so I think yeah, that's it. Now I have to install Lucid React. I think for icon. I think it's all installed. Lucid React, yes. Okay, so it is installed. Then I need to install input button. Okay, let me install. Installation. Okay, and button and the card. Yeah, this is the card. I will install this and button. Yeah, it's all installed. Then Lucid React. Yeah, drop down menu. But why this? Share. Okay, let me install. Drop down, drop down. Yeah, drop down menu. Okay, so in this file, that's it. Next one. Okay, so now let's see how it's look like. Okay. Oh, I'm using the hooks, so I should mention use client in Next.js. Okay, so yeah, I got this front end. Made with fire by GitHub post. Okay. Username reports not new. Okay, let me. Okay, so it's just console logging the data. Okay, so now we will build the functionality. Okay, also I will like to see the social share button, how it's look like. Social share bar. I just will call it here. Mm, yeah, it looks nice. Share it on Twitter. Share it on LinkedIn. Okay. The mock content, how it will be look like. Oh, it's dummy card. Okay. So okay, so now we have all kind of components like input, share button, uh, dummy component. It's for roast content. Okay, so I call it as a roast call. Okay. Okay, so now we have to. Oh, also one more thing. Roast data. Okay, yeah, that's it. Sorry. Okay, so how it works? Input. So we need something like use state to store the roast text, and we need to call API and also social share this button. Okay, so I just take this button only. I don't need a like this bar. Okay. Okay, fine. So I just console log it. Okay, so meanwhile, okay, so yeah, so added roast component, utility function, blah blah blah. Okay, so it's really nice. I commit this. Okay, so now we have a API. It is a post API. So GitHub link is passing, and I'm getting the data roast content. Okay. Fine. So give me the API call function in frontend. Call as a function. Give me this function with the type safe. And okay, so let me try this in the VS Code itself. Okay, so I need a one more folder called API. So I will keep my all API collections here. What is the file name I can call it? Okay, so gen roast.ts. Okay, so here I will paste it. Type safe and with the JS doc. Export this. Okay, so yeah, let's see how it will be give. Yeah, it's giving name. Yes. Okay. Okay, so the API path I have to change. I will change it. Okay, so this should be just roast. Post content. Okay. I'm passing the name. Okay, but it should be a URL, right? Okay, so I will ask to change this. I will pass the URL in API and also use the Axios. And if any error happen, use toast to show one. Use any package for toast message. Okay, let's see. Okay, React Toastify. Yes. Yeah, it's giving the instruction how to do this. Okay, so this is my API code. So I will install this. Then add. Also, I will check this document. Okay, so need to install. Okay. Okay, so I have to configure this in my layout. Okay, so I think it's not needed as per this document. Okay. So yeah, so here's my simple API call function. I'm passing. It's not a API URL. Oh, it's a ape. Oh, okay. Mhm. Okay, some changes need to do. Yeah, now it looks good. Okay, so API promise dot response data dot roast. Okay, okay. So now I just save it. Uh, okay, so now in this file, what we have to do? Uh, Submit. It's calling the function. It's not a prop. Okay, I just need a. Okay, so maybe I need a avatar, username, roast text. I don't need a timestamp. So const. So okay, so I go to this chat. Give me the like, for this response. Yeah. So I copy this. I create a file called type.ts. So I will mention all the type in globally. So I will just import and use it wherever I want. Export. Okay. So now the time. Okay. Almost half an hour is gone. Okay. Okay. Let me try to complete this as much as possible. Okay. So now I got the type. Okay. So then the API structure also I have to change. I mean the output. It's not a promise that resolve to post message. So yeah, like this something suggest. So yeah, this is good. Generated roast. Okay, so URL. Okay, handle response. Okay, so in on submit, I will pass a string and it should be provide a void. Yes, it's loading. Mm, let me see what will happen. To roast data is not defined. Okay, yes, super. Set roast data. I will set it with a response. Okay, so loading is just giving like this. Okay, so error. Okay, so error just showing error message. Okay, so in our case, it's not needed. Error, I will remove this, and here also it's not needed, and I will remove it from here. Okay, okay, so now I have to call this API function here, then I have to set the data here, then I have to pass this to component, uh, maybe to the roast card. This will be display. Then the social share bar. So this by clicking this have to be open link and with the data of roast and show it in any other social media like Twitter or LinkedIn. Okay. First I will complete this front end code, then I will move on to the backend. So this is my mock data. So so response it's okay. Um, set this. Okay, so by clicking it has to be execute. It is okay. It is okay. Yeah, loading state I have to manage. Okay, yeah, super. It is also yeah, it is really cool. Like what I'm thinking, like okay, actually the GitHub Copilot, I feel like personally it is really helpful. I mean the ghost message. Um, it automatically analyze and giving the content, sorry, the code. What actually next I want to do. So it's really awesome. Yeah. Okay, so try catch and finally super. It's done. So I just have to pass this is loading into this component. So now it is done. So the roast card, okay. I just uh, copy this example content. How it's want to be look the design is I just give the data. Then I will ask, give me the give me the roast card component code to show this content. Looks like a tweet card. Okay. Let's see what will happen. Yeah, super. It gives with the type safe. Also using giving the styles. Yeah, also showing how to use this. Okay. Let me ask. But give me code styles using Tailwind CSS. Yeah, yeah. So Yeah, it's done. Here I will use the global type roast response. Okay, so username, a roast message, and image. Okay, let's see how it's look like. Oh, here also I have to pause this. Super. Why it is not showing? Okay, okay, I got it. Okay, so I mean like the use stated by default is null. So when I'm clicking this button, then only the value will be paused and set it in the use state. Then only this will be execute. I mean roast data is exist. Then only the roast code will be show. Yeah. So now, for example, I'm just copy paste the URL and clicking the roast. Okay. Yeah, it is showing the avatar and the name. Super. Yeah. Format. Okay. Now it's almost ready. Clicking the function data. Yeah. Okay. So now I have to correct this. So, okay. First, I will give the commit message. Okay. Not everything. Like this, and layout. Okay. So yeah. So now I will give the git commit message for other changes. Now it's okay. Okay. So now the thing is share button. Let me go to share bar. It's not a share bar. It's okay, like maybe as of now, I will keep it like this. Later, I will change the styles. But now I have to handle the functionality. Okay, so on share, this function is getting the platform on the text. Okay, so then I have to pass the text content. Okay, so here on share is okay, text is okay. Okay, so but this text should be dynamically changed. Yeah, on share. Okay, so let me create another one function here. Yeah, handle share. It's nice. Okay, actually, it's not needed. Everything I can handle it inside the share bar. So in this component itself, it will be handle everything. So the text is the on share. Maybe it's not going to be used. Hmm. Oh, sorry. I need this function. I will handle it outside. The text actually not needed. It's just a UI only. This component is just a UI, just giving the option like which platform I have selected. So here that's it. Default function is just console logging. But for me, it will be executive function. So let's see, like it automatically do the function what I want. Oh, logic for Twitter. Super. Else, yeah, it gives the code for me. But I don't know it will be work or not. Okay, let me click this. Mm, yeah, it works. Okay, so also for LinkedIn. Let's take time. I think it's also working. Mm, Still okay. So maybe my network issue. So yeah, I think it's almost there. Okay, so maybe some small mistakes. I will correct it. So yeah, so actually it's automatically understand this function what need to do. So it gives the code. I didn't give any extra comment. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, so now I have a handle generate, handle share function. But the content should be come from post text. Okay, I will keep it in the top. Content is also content. Okay. Okay. So yeah, so now let's see what will happen. Uh, yeah. Okay, the content is there. By clicking Twitter. Yeah, super. Yeah, it's works, guys. Next LinkedIn. Okay, it will be keep load. I will do other function. Okay, okay, it is there. Uh, okay, so maybe LinkedIn is not working. Okay, let's see in later. First, I will complete other things. Finally, I will complete this issue. Okay, so now I have to implement the backend logics. Okay, so okay, first I will complete with the mock data. So then let's move to LLM configurations. Okay, so now I just have to call this function to get the data. Uh, okay, the response also I have to modify. Generate roast data, roast should be okay. So response data. Okay, so response data should be roast response. Okay, as of now it can be dummy. Yeah, so username is already there. Avatar URL, that's I need to fetch. But as of now, I will use mock data. Hard-coded URL. Okay, so now I will call this function. It should be async function. The function name called, yeah, generate roast. Okay, so I'm calling this function here, and URL also I'm passed. Okay, so let's this mock data should be come from the backend. I just reloaded and I'm paste the link and I'm clicking the roast. Failed to generate roast. What was the error? Oh, not for okay. EP is 404. Roast, okay. There is any spelling mistake. ROAST, yes, and it is a post. In the body data, I'm passing GitHub URL. Okay, so here GitHub link. Okay. Okay, if the let me see. It is calling the API, yes, and the payload is GitHub link. Response is 404. Try catch. Oh, so okay. It's my mistake. AP path will be like a slash AP slash host. Okay, so so this time let me put correct GitHub URL. Okay, so now I click this. It is loading. Again what? 500. Okay. Okay, something is wrong when I am fetching the data. Yeah. Okay, so now we have to correct this okay, so now we have to correct this particular function, like fetching the GitHub user data. Oh, and one more thing, have to modify this. Response data should be what format? It's not a yeah. Okay, so as of now, what I have done, like I just do some git commit. Yeah, so refactor roast generate API. Yes, I changed the API path update. Yeah, yes, this is what I have done. Okay, so let me ask. I didn't use any GitHub API before, but once I will do GitHub, do some small search. How to fetch? Okay, let me ask the question to LLM. How to fetch GitHub user README.md information. Oh, sorry, it's spelling mistake. Okay, so Axios github.com master. Yeah, yes, username slash username. Okay. I will just copy this. Okay, so still I'm not sure like it will be give any error or not. Let's see, let's try. As of now, no error. what happened? Response, yes. Let me do console log readme URL response. Okay, generate response. Let me confirm it. Yes, yeah, I got all the information. So it works. Okay, so I will update this. And the API is, yeah, API is following the same structure: username, avatar URL, and roast text. Okay, so now in this function, I'm not just getting the roast. Yeah, so I want this entire object. So let's see how it will be shown in the front end. Yes, yeah, now it comes. What is this? Roast text. Okay. In the roast text, something is wrong. Wrong content. Yes, generate roast. Random slice. Okay, yeah, because of this, it's happened. From my readme.md. Okay, so yeah, now it looks good. Okay, so now we have to just integrate that LLM to generate roast content based on the readme.md. Yeah, that's it. Then just have to deploy, and I have to fix the issue for LinkedIn. Okay, I will do git commit. Okay, so 1 hour has happened. Okay, so at least instead of 24 hours, I can able to complete within a 1 hour or 1.5 hour. Yeah, like I'm just trying to show how much it's useful for me. Okay, it's just a simple project just to make it fun. But however, in my real project, I'm personally using this GitHub Copilot. It's really helpful. Okay, so yeah, so now LLM configuration I have to do. Okay, so I'm already set up that API key. So okay, let me create it as a not LLM client like OpenAI. Okay, so I just import it here. Okay, so but I will put it inside the utility function like generate roast .ts. Okay, so yeah, simple like I'm just going to give the prompt. It will be giving me the code. That's it. Give me update the function to generate the roast content based on readme.md okay, so yeah, readme.md content, and return the text. But this response need to funny and interactive the emojis. Okay, so let's see what will happen. Okay, it's doing like random, but it should be based on LLM. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so I will give it here. Like I like this interface because it's very big. Using OpenAI SDK. Sorry guys. Okay, so okay, so model. Okay, actually model is not needed because I am using a third-party LLM provider instead OpenAI. Prompt is interactive fun with emojis roast. Okay, so okay, let me. Actually, it's not the way. I'm already have some code snippet. I just use it to speed up. Okay, so actually this code snippet for some other project. Okay, so yeah, chat completion model, yes. Yeah. Okay, so I will use it in this code. Okay, so the prompt will be okay, so readme.md, this content is there here. This is the model I'm gonna be use, and chat completion create. Okay, the response is there or not, then I'm just returning the response content. Okay, okay, so but I will make this code cleaner and the structure as well. Okay, so this time let me use a Claude. But I can tell improve this prompt and give the code with the JS doc. Keep it simple and yeah. Actually, this code is enough to generate the content, but let's see. Yeah, super. It gives the example also in the JS doc. Yeah, yeah, yes, super. The system, so it's giving the prompt to act this LLM as using this context. Yeah, it's also give how to utilize in my API. So yeah, just copy paste. Yes, 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 yes. Reviewer looking readme.md. Yes, yes. Okay, token also passing here. Okay. Fine. I don't know like whether this token will be support or not. Sorry. Yeah, it should be support. Okay. So now. This is my API. I just copy paste it. No. Okay, so here actually nothing to copy paste. GitHub. Okay, so let's see like what is the response now I am receiving. Okay, it's loading. Yeah, so here's a playful roast for the readme.md content. Yeah, aha, nice try. The ASCLL or I don't know heart into Jackson. I mean, it's a good thing you're a developer, or it might have a haven't taken you all. Okay, guys, like I'm not good at English. Like I'm just trying to read this. Let's see, taken you all the day to figure out how to make those. Okay, really, I don't know like what it is mean.
Squiggly.
Swiggly. Okay, swiggly line into look face. Yeah, it's good. Okay, like actually, yeah, actually now it's done. Like now, if I click the Twitter, what will happen? Actually, this content should become. Oh, it is too high. Okay, let me remove it. Okay, so maybe I will tell to keep it like yeah. Okay, yeah, so yeah, that's it, guys. Maybe like I will just improve some things like let me ask also fetch the profile image from GitHub dynamically. Okay, like as of now I'm using the avatar URL is a static URL, so but I like to get it as a dynamically based on the GitHub username. Let's see. Yeah, super, this code I really like. It's also following like importing statements. Okay, I don't know whether my network is sure or not. Okay, so I just copy. I will do a chat here. Okay, but by default based on my cursor selected lines, it automatically now, yeah, 1 to 43 this line I have selected. So I just have to give the prompt only. I don't need to copy paste the entire code. Okay, let's see. It is fetching the, yeah, I think it's also give the code for fetch the avatar URL. Let's see what will happen. User okay, profile. Oh, okay, let me try it. Jackson Kasi 0. Yeah, yes, guys, it gives the entire data. Followers following. Yes, this is the avatar URL. Yes, yeah, it actually gives the code what I want. Super. Also, I will try to modify this prompt to keep it simple. Modify this prompt to give maximum 1 to 2 line. It is more enough. Yeah, it's just replaced. Okay, like, but I like to keep like a playful. Okay, it's okay. Maybe I need a much more funny. Also, okay, yeah, it's not a friendly. Like, I will change this, update this content to give roasts content. yeah, it's updated. Maybe one more time I will update this with the same prompt. Yeah, it's done. I just save it. Okay, so let's see what will happen now. Yeah, this is my face. Okay, so here's a roast for you. Oh, Jackson Casey, you're a master of code and also master of GIF. That's a lot of works, just me make us laugh, but we appreciate it. In all scenarios.
Seriousness.
Okay, so okay, colorful its look, box crayons, yeah. Explode on Sunday morning. We love, passionate about texture enthusiast. However, we have to ask what's with all the logos. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, let me show like what it is mean. Yeah, like I'm putting like all the maybe recently I think changed. Okay, yeah, I think it's trolled me. Like it's look like a crayons. What is this logos? You must have a whole collaboration of them in your okay in tech nerd version of comic book collector. Don't get us wrong. We are glad to you. Okay, yeah, it's really fun. Let me click to it. Yeah, again it's asked to remove something. Okay, so I just posted. No one going to be see my this tweet, but yeah. Okay, yeah, that's it, guys. I just have build. Even I don't know like how the GitHub APIs works. Without knowledge, I just build these things. Yeah, like and also like I'm shown like how it was helpful for me. Yes. When I'm working in big project, I will explore the document. I will read that and I will feed this to LLM because like I'm lazy to do the things. I have to copy something from document. I have to modify. But what I will do, like I will feed this main content, and I will ask a question to do like this. So it will be also like I think it's also understand what I'm doing, what next to want to do. So even like uh, with the help of Copilot, like mostly I was reducing the prompt because like everything automatic in the ghost text. So that is very favorite. So that is handling almost everything like my almost the code like 50 to 60 percentage only based on the AI. Yeah, it's real. Yeah, so like just remaining things only. I'm just looking document and how it's working. I'm just understanding. So yeah, and also one more thing, like if the LLM is giving any, I mean the Copilot or Chat GPT, Cloud, anything, if it gives a code like and it is a new tech for me, I will try and I will use that, but also I will analyze. Sorry, I will understand how the code is works because like without that base knowledge, I couldn't able to build the more complex work. So LLM is kind of extra hands for me to do the work, and also like easy to know. Like even I don't know like how the GitHub APIs works. It's just a small example, but how to fetch the README.md file and how to fetch the avatar. Really I don't know. Really, just now I understand like what I say. We have this kind of API like api.github/user. So yeah, so it's also like helpful for me to learn the new things quickly, to adapt and execute the task earlier as possible. So okay guys, I think I have to stop my recorder. Okay, so 1 hour and 20 minutes I think. So yeah, so I hope you find this